Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Yes, I am back in London, UK. Came back late evening, well, got back to home about 8:30 in the evening. Unpacked, tired, jet lagged, had something to eat and went straight to bed. Well, before that I did upload a video of my vlog. Speaking about my vlogs or video logs, I just posted day 7 today. I'm going to start posting them all as the day comes. Please do check out my video logs in China. I was in Hangzhou, China, and so on. Please like, subscribe, all that cool stuff. But you can see on the table, this video is an unboxing. And of course, I'm going to do loads of unboxing stuff. I bought a bunch of stuff from China, from toys to figures and tech. I didn't get any phones because they were too expensive. And besides, I was buying other stuff, you know. So this one is the Xiaomi Watch S4, and it's actually cheaper than buying in the UK. I don't think it's not available in the UK site yet. And I got these two straps as well. It comes with the strap and the circular bezel, just like the S3, which I got a video. Please check that video as well, where you can change it, and you can, when you put the bezel on, it comes with a custom kind of screen. This is actually, if you combine them all together, it comes to about 130 odd pounds. That, if this UK would be 170, 180, so it's about 40 odd, maybe 50 pounds cheaper over there. Okay, so I'm going to unbox it. But before that, when I got back, this came, I think, a couple of days ago. So let's do a little what's in the package, shall we? It's Mario and Luigi Brothers ship for the Switch. I think it came out, what, 7th? 2 days ago? 7th? What's the date today? 8th? Yeah, see? I lost the time. That's what happens when you get jet lagged. So it came out yesterday. Yeah, awesome. Got back home and this was at my doorstep. So this is in the package today. Alright then. Let's get back into the unboxing. Xiaomi Mi Watch S4. Oops. Alright then. Same style packaging. Long. I know, let's ask you guys and girls, what do you prefer? The square boxes or the long boxes? I think so far it only seems to Xiaomi prefer the square, I mean the long boxes. Every other company's always had that kind of square box. Alright then. So this is it. I got the black one because what did I get? I think I got the white one. Yeah, I got the white one on S3, hence why I got the black one this time. It actually feels a bit lighter. You can see. Oh, by the way, the intro, you see I put the spec sheet, so you can pause that and have a quick look at the spec sheets. What I'm gonna do, I'm just grab my S3 out and let's compare it. Now, to be fair, this is actually a bit more heavier now. You can see. As you can see, the difference is the same size, I think. No, I'll tell you a lie. You look carefully. It's the same size, but I think the bezels on the S4 is a little bit smaller. You can see just a little bit. Yeah, I think S4 is a little bit heavier. Also, you can see he's got this dial. Let's hope he actually does something like the Huawei, where you can actually rotate it. Unlike the OnePlus watches, they're just there for show. So, yeah, here you go. I think they're about the same thickness. Okay, let me just put this away. Okay, this is the unboxing. This is the strap that comes with it, and the bezel all black. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this up, alright, and play around with the UI. It's probably going to be the same, not much difference. Quick overview, and then I'm going to do is unbox these and change the straps and the bezel and see what exclusive watch face it comes with. Okay, I'll be back. See you guys and girls in about an hour. Take it easy. I was so excited in getting the watch out and playing with it, I forgot to actually do the unboxing. So here's a little unboxing, or the second half of the unboxing. But as usual stuff, You got your paperwork inside. I assume it will be all in Chinese. Yep. And you get your regular charger, exactly the same as my other ones. What one is this one? It's USB-C to A, I assume. Yep, USB-C to A. So this is all in a box. Nothing spectacular. I wish phones watch charger should be like the OnePlus one, where you can actually take the circular bit off and just, you know, I find it easy that way. Don't know why. So yeah, that's the rest of the unboxing, which I was totally forgot. I was so excited about my new toy. Well, anyway, let's continue with the video. Hello everyone, I'm back. So the setup wasn't as easy as I thought. So as usual, when you switch your watch, there's a barcode, and you use your phone, you scan it, and it takes you to the either the Play Store or the actual website, and then you download the app. And to me, I tend to just delete the app and re-download it. It's a bit easy that way. And I re-downloaded it, and of course on the watch itself, the QR code, you press when you go to device here. You scan it, and you scan it, and it syncs your device up. Of course, you have to switch on Bluetooth, but the problem is it wasn't even working because I forgot to sign in. It was just literally there. I didn't even read it. I just skipped it. Then the funny thing, I forgot my password. I had to reset my password, so I did all that. Then I finally got into it. Then he just saying that once I scanned the barcode, he said the watch is not supported here. I'm like, what the hell? Then of course I remembered this was purchased in China, so I had to kind of reinstall the app again. And then right at the beginning, when you download it or you open the app, it tells you which region. So I put it into China, and voila, you sync it and so on. I can read a little bit of Chinese. My Chinese isn't the best because like I said, raised in the UK for most of my life. My Chinese isn't the best, so I made out some of the words and some of the characters. So I kind of, and sometimes I was a bit lucky, so I was pressing here, pressing there, trial and error, and finally got it to work. So a bit of a nightmare, totally forgot. So if you're gonna import this a phone or a watch, whatever, a watch, Xiaomi, Huawei, just make sure when you download the app and you set it to China. And if you can't read Chinese, that's fine. I mean, I barely read Chinese myself. You just have to trial and error by pressing the buttons. But now it's all set and done. That's the hard part. It's all done and dusted. And anybody who's familiar with the Mi Fit would be familiar with the actual interface. Majority of it will be in English. Some of it will be in Chinese, of course. Usual stuff. I won't go into details, to be fair. Workout stuff here, all the little tutorials and what to do. I don't even use my watch. If you've watched my videos, you know that I just collect things. You can see some of the stuff here is probably not much use to us, because it's in Chinese, and it's probably just for Chinese server. Watch faces, usual, some are free, some are not. You got all the usual stuff here, app health, all the usual suspects are right there. Alright then. As for the phone, it's the phone. I keep on saying phone. As for the watch, I put it on as always on display. When you raise your wrist, it pops back up. I chose this watch face. There's a few. You can see there's a few that came defaulted, but I just decide to choose this for now. Press this. You got all your. And the good news is, unlike the OnePlus, this actually does it. You use your stuff here. There's another button at the bottom here. The button. You click on that. Take you to the other options here as well. Not much, just usual stuff. Anybody who's familiar with Xiaomi will be familiar with all this. Like I said, I probably won't even use half of this stuff here because I just get a watch. Oh look, it's got, good thing is it got Alipay. I don't think, you know what, let me check, double check. This is an official my Xiaomi 3. Yeah, you can see it doesn't have some of the app because, like I said, I set this up as a Chinese, and plus it's a Chinese watch, Chinese OS, so it's got Alipay. Pretty cool. Give me 1 second. I think someone's at the door, so let me just pause this video. Hello, I'm back. Sorry about that. That was postman dropped off a post, not mine, for my sister. Wasn't expecting anything. Anyway, where was I at? Yes. Back to some of the apps. Some of these apps will be exclusive, like Alipay. You know what? Since I got a visa, 2-year visa in China, I'm going to go back. Hopefully next year, early next year, I'm going to go back again. Haven't decided which city yet, but I might try the Alipay. Oh, by the way, speaking about Alipay, Alipay is such. Alipay and WeChat are so amazing. They're the best apps they are. I mean, anyway, I'll go into detail later on about that. So I might try this when I'm in Alipay, when in China, see if you can actually pay with just like, you know, you have an Apple Watch, you can use Apple Pay. But I'm telling you, man, Alipay and WeChat, they have so much functions. No, back to the point. Yeah, so some apps here you can see that are Chinese exclusive. Like I mentioned, I won't be using much of them anyway, because I just use it as a watch, really. That's about it, really. Yeah, so let me just put my phone away. I'm gonna do is unbox the strap and the bezel. Unlike the S3, maybe it's just a UK thing where you can buy the bezels and straps. It's separate, but this one in China it seems like they're all in one. And you know what? And to be fair, they actually cost just a little bit more than just the bezel alone in the UK. So I got this one. This one, the strap itself, you can see, it reminds me of the texture and feel of my Huawei watches. Let me show you what I mean. This is GT5. You can see what I mean by very similar. Yeah. But the only thing is, since I got my Huawei out, and I forgot to mention that in my unboxing, check this out. Now you can just press this button and the clip is so much easier. That is so awesome. I forgot to mention that in my last year. I noticed, and I was hoping that, and I think a lot of phone companies should start doing that as well. But unfortunately, they still got old-fashioned. This, if you saw my last video, I sometimes struggle with that. So I'm gonna do. Let's try this one. Let me see. Okay, it's easy to take off as always, but let's have a. It's gonna be a bit of a nightmare. All right, then I'm gonna a nightmare. I'm gonna go like this. You always seem to get one easy in. Oh my god, almost there. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pause this video and then get this done. Be back. Hello, I'm back. So yeah, the fiddly bit has been done. Took me about what, 5 or so minutes. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the bezel on live. As you can see, this is the one. I really did like this. Look at that. It's got nice orangey gold pattern. Really nice. All right then. So let's put this on. Just like the S3, you just go on the left, twist it on the left, and it comes out like that. And then if you look at the back, there's a new feature here. You can see bezel has been removed. I don't remember that was on the S3, but I can always check later on. But you can see on the back, whoops, of the bezel, you can see the orange bit is supposed to sync with that. Alright then, so let's clip it on. Okay. Oh, okay. That is the exclusive watch face that comes with it. What do you think? That looks pretty cool. Yeah. Because you know what, it's actually pretty light when you compare it to the OnePlus and the Huawei watch. Not the OnePlus 2R, the one before that, the OnePlus one. And this is my Huawei I mentioned. It's a little bit lighter. I mean, it's heavier than the S3, but lighter than the GT5. Okay, that's not bad. what I'm gonna do, let me just unbox this one. This one I actually quite like. It's kind of like blend two colors, the grey and the blue. And it also has that kind of feels like leather finish to it. Get the bezel out. I wonder what the exclusive watch face is going to look like. Oh, look at that. That is really cool, isn't it? Alright then. Let me get back to you, because again, this is going to be fiddly. See you in a sec. Okay, I'm back. Took a little bit less time, about 3 minutes. Alright then, now for the bezel, let's just take this off. I wonder what the face is going to look like. I'll get rid of that. Put it here. I do like this. Really nice to it. Oh, what's this? Some bug? Oh. Oh, what's this? Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. What's this? Huh. Oh, what's this? Let me just take this off. Oh no. Some sort of bug, I think. Maybe I have to kind of like just put this back on and... Alright then, I'm back, and so is a bug with the actual watch face that is causing it. I actually replaced it with this one. As you can see, it's actually pretty good. Look at it. You know what? When I was in China, I saw this strap. I thought, yeah, this will go down well. So if you're looking from this half, yeah, it looks pretty good because, you know, dark goes with black. But it's okay. I think if I had a white or silver version, I think this would probably go better. I think. But it's alright. Yeah, so it's the bug with the actual watch face. So if I was to go back into this one, this is the actual one that's supposed to come with it. If I go press this one, as you can see, there's a bug with it. I suppose it will probably get fixed with the update. So I will just put it back to this one, which I just found for free, which is pretty good. What I'm gonna do, yeah, so I'm gonna put it back to, I'm gonna start wearing this one first. Maybe, yeah, I'll wear this one first and then followed by this one. I'd like to say thank you for staying to the end and watching this funny, interesting, if not somewhat kind of quirky unboxing. Yeah, please like, subscribe, all that cool stuff. I'm going to upload all my China vlogs, video logs every day. Please check those out. And also I'm going to do a lot of unboxing, unpackaging of all the cool stuff that I purchased in China as well. Yeah, keep an eye on my videos. And until next time, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are in the world. And please do stay safe. Goodbye now.